Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. The game is updated and your internet is stable. Tap the Supercell ID button in Settings now. This starts the flow, so don't delay. Choose Create Account if you lack one, or log in with email if you already registered. Enter an email you control and expect a verification code. This prevents account loss. Once done, check your inbox, copy the code, and paste it back in the game to verify ownership and link your progress securely. Once verified, you'll see the account link confirmation. Accept it so your game progress attaches to Supercell ID. If transferring from a guest account, use the in-game transfer option and follow prompts to migrate data before overriding. Make sure to log into the same Supercell ID on any other device and allow data sync. This updates cloud saves. Also, set a strong, unique password, and consider enabling extra protection where available to reduce the chance of unauthorized access in the future. You finish by testing the linked account. Sign out and sign back in to confirm progress restores correctly. If verification fails, resend the code and check spam folders or email filters. Sometimes corporate or school emails block messages. If migrating a guest account and progress is missing, avoid creating new accounts. Open support in Settings, include your device ID and precise timestamps, and request recovery. This speeds resolution and ensures your linked Supercell ID becomes the authoritative save for future logins.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.